Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Our today topic is introduction to 3D printing and CAD integration. It means that we will study that how to do a 3D printing and CAD integration. Some of you may know these, but some of them you may not know. So let's get into the video. In recent years, 3D printing and computer aided science CAD have emerged as revolutionary technologies that are transforming various industries from manufacturing and healthcare of fashion and agriculture. 3D printing technologies that are healthcare emerged as the technologies. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, enables the creation of three-dimensional objects by layering material on one step at a time, offering unprecedented design flexibility and production efficiency. CAD design, on the other hand, refers to the process of creating digital models of objects using specialized software, allowing for precise and intentional intended designs that can be directly translated into physical terms through 3D printers, transforming the objects by layering digital models of objects that are from manufacturing and many more. Hope you understand these the scenario. Now moving to the next part, which is the synergy of 3D printing and CAD design. The synergy between 3D printing and CAD design is undeniable. CAD software provides designers and engineers with a platform to visualize, manipulate, and refine their ideas in a virtual space before committing to physical production. This allows for rapid prototyping, designs, and softwares that the ideas in a virtual space between 3D printing and CAD design to physical production. This allows for rapid prototyping, cost-effective design, iterations, and the ability to test complex geometries that would be challenging to achieve through traditional manufacturing methods. In this para, we came to know that the synergy of 3D printing and CAD designs, that how can we be so productive by using 3D printing and CAD design. Hope you understand this paragraph. If you don't, then let me know. Now moving to the next paragraph. Benefits in product development. One of the key advantages of using 3D printing in conjunction with CAD design is accelerated product development. Designers can create prototypes quickly, reducing time to market and facilitating a more iterative design process. This speed allows for efficient exploration of multiple design concepts and enables engineers to identify potential flaws or improvements early in the development cycle. These are the some benefits in the production development of 3D printing and CAD designs, in which one of the key advantage is the conjunction with the CAD design is accelerated product development. We can increase our product quantity by using this software. Hope you understand this. Now moving to the next part, customization and personalization. 3D printing and CAD design have enabled the era of customization and personalization in manufacturing. Objects can be easily tailored to individual needs, whether it's creating personalized medicine, implants, customized consumer products, or even unique art pieces. This level of customization was previously impractical with traditional manufacturing techniques. CAD designs and 3D printing have enabled the area of expertise of customization and personalization in manufacturing. Many objects has been evolved many times. So in manufacturing things, objects can be easily measured to individual needs. They can be designed by human needs, by the manufacturer's needs, whether it's creating personalized medical implants, customized consumer products, or even unique art pieces. This level of customization was previously impractical with traditional manufacturing techniques. Hope you understand this part. Now we are moving to the next part, which is complex geometries and lightweight structures. This paragraph is about the complex geometries of 3D printing and CAD designs and their lightweight structures. So let's get reading. CAD design and 3D printing enables the realization of intricate and complex geometries that were previously challenging or impossible to achieve. This has significant implications in industries such as aerospace, where lightweight yet structurally robust components are critical. Designers can now create components with optimized internal structures that minimize material usage while maintaining strength. CAD design and 3D printing enables the realization of intricate and complex geometries that were previously challenging or impossible. Hope you understand. If you like, then goodbye.